Hi guys, here to talk about the standard remote for the Ludwig hook. So this remote, you can put it like this in your chest strap that you have in your transport case, and you are hands-free. You have your hook here. We'll start with one. If you want to lock your hook, okay, you will push all the way through with your thumb. The LED is activated there, you see it. As soon as you lift, more than 55 pounds, the LED is completely switched off. So whatever you do with the remote, you won't be able to open the hook, okay? So you're safe during the whole lift. You set down your load, your truss, your joist, whatever, and you want to release your rigging, and you will use the remote. So if you want to release this red hook, the sequence is a double key sequence always, and it's hold on top left, and within 2 seconds, you hit the red key, okay? So I will hold on top left, hit the red one, and it opens the hook instantly, okay? If you want to, at some point, open 2 hooks at the same time, okay? You will lock your hook, do your lift, and you will use the top right with the whole color on the key. So I will again press and hold on the top left and press on top right. Both hooks open at the same time. If you want to do a Christmas tree, or for some reason you want to open one hook before the other one, as you got it, you will use the color code. So I want to open up the red one first. I will hold and click on red. I want to open the blue one. I will hold and click on blue, okay? So kind of easy to unlock those hooks whenever there is no load anymore on them. As I said, more than 55 pounds on those one, and you can't release, it's a safety. Those hooks are 4,400 pounds rated, okay? And when it comes to the remote itself, the reason why you have it in your chest strap is for 2 reasons. One, you're hands-free, and the second one is you want to have the best range between the remote and the hook. The signal is going perpendicular to the remote, so if you have it like this, it will go as far as it can. They are tested up to 200 feet, okay? If for some reason you are using the remote in your hands, just remember that you don't want to point to the hook, but you prefer to have it vertical so that the signal goes right to the hooks, okay? In terms of charging, you have a charger in there, okay? What you do is that you unscrew the remote. It's a 1/4 of a turn on the left, okay? And you will then connect the BNC connector of the charger, okay? On this charger, there is an LED there showing that you will be charging. It's showing orange. After 2 or 3 hours, the charging is done and you can remove the charger. The capacity of the battery for the remote is 1 to 2 months, depending on how you use it. So you don't have to charge it every week. But bear in mind that at some point you will have to charge it, and an indicator of that is the LED there. If this one is blinking, that means the remote is low on battery, okay? So that's pretty much that for the remote itself. One thing to remember as well is that if you do the wrong sequence, for instance, instead of doing top left, top right, which is the right one, you are doing top right, top left, it will blink and you won't be able to release, okay? You will have to wait 2 seconds to do the right sequence, okay? So 2 safety on those hooks, 55 pounds on the 4,400 pounds capacity hook, and the double key sequence. Bye-bye.